Hi, I'm Cindy Pawlcyn and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some ice cream desserts with Dale Ray, the chef of Mustard's Grill. He is probably the best ice cream eater I've ever met in my entire life. He eats it every day.
I do that.
What are you going to make today, Dale?
We're going to have a Teeny-Weeny banana split. So we have some baby bananas, some cherries, some lodi, fresh strawberry puree, pineapple sauce, toasted coconut, whipped cream, and some candied almonds.
So I think it's time to go.
So we're going to coat the bananas in a superfine sugar and then caramelize them with the blowtorch.
It's really important to use a shaker for your sugar to get it evenly across the banana, isn't it?
It is. And don't do it like the two right here. Those are a little uneven. So now we're going to take the blowtorch and light it.
Now remember at home, you want to do this in a metal pan so that you don't end up blowtorching your whole tablecloth. It takes a lot of practice to be able to hold it in your hand.
I think it's also very important to be patient while you're caramelizing the banana. If you put the torch too close, you'll burn the banana. So hold it back and let the sugar caramelize on its own speed.
And it's good to move it back and forth across the length of the banana and not just caramelize one end. I really love caramelized bananas because they have that soft and crispy texture all in one bite. Great. So now I know most things in nature have 2 balls, but we need 3 for this banana split because there's 3 sauces. And you have to have 1 scoop of ice cream for every sauce, don't you?
Absolutely.
Why don't we give them 3 bananas, too?
3 bananas? Okay.
So the classic banana split is pineapple sauce, caramel sauce. You want to do caramel?
Sauce.
Nice and thick. I love it like that.
This looks awesome.
Strawberry sauce. Some toasted coconut over the pineapple. Right.
A little bit of candied almonds. We'll put that over the strawberry.
A big dollop of whipped cream in the middle. And because we don't like maraschino cherries, we're going to use a fresh cherry.
Fresh, local cherry.
So there you go. Perfect frozen dessert. Takes about as long as it takes to caramelize a banana.
As long as it takes me to eat it.
Guys, I wonder if you're going to like this. Oh boy, can you get that all in your mouth? That was amazing.
Awesome.
So Dale and I would love to have you come to Mustard so we can make you a banana split anytime you'd like, or if you want to make it at home, you can find this recipe in my cookbook, Big Small Plates.